Care and maintenance. Replacing a needle. Use an HA1SP number 14 or number 11 needle. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Turn the hand wheel toward you to raise the needle to its highest position. Place the needle holder on the needle. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. With the flat side facing back, insert the needle into the needle holder. Insert the needle into the needle clamp and push it up as far as it will go. Tighten the needle clamp screw firmly with a screwdriver. Cleaning the machine. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Following the instructions in the manual, clean and oil the machine regularly.